Hey there, welcome back to the Electrifying Finance Zoom channel. Prepare to be blown away in today's video as I delve into the exhilarating realm of financial transformation. Get ready because I'm about to unravel the irresistible steps on how to turn $5,000 into $1 million by Grant Cardone.
If you could add 5,000 to that and earn 20%, it'd be worth $1,125,000. If you can do this at 10%, it'd be worth $320,000.
This is your ticket to a journey you won't want to miss, so let's get started. Fueled by unwavering determination, Grant Cardone embarked on a mission, turning $5,000 into $1 million. His dynamic persona and boundary-pushing zeal have made him a guiding light for those like me seeking to enhance their financial standing. His journey from obscurity to luxury kindles inspiration in millions and lays the groundwork for pioneering success strategies. As I ponder the methods behind Cardone's remarkable achievement, I've meticulously absorbed his insights. Today, I'm thrilled to unveil 10 transformative steps derived from his voyage, a roadmap capable of reshaping my approach to wealth accumulation. The blueprint: how to turn $5,000 into $1 million. Grant Cardone's strategy. 1. Setting a clear goal and establishing targets.
I don't go to Target, I get targets, and I keep targets, and I refresh the target. And the target is, I want to be a millionaire.
Grant Cardone is absolutely right. In this step, you're about to discover the essence of having a crystal clear goal, something that's not just an abstract idea, but a tangible target you can refine over time. Inspired by Grant Cardone's insights, you'll see how it's not enough to aim for success vaguely. You need specific objectives. As I embrace this, I've etched into my approach the unshakable resolve to become a millionaire. Examining Cardone's 2-decade strategy, you'll explore a roadmap that not only outlines the timeline, but also explores avenues for a consistent 20% annual return. Cardone himself shares this revelation, which lies at the core of his remarkable journey. You'll witness that true wealth isn't spun from empty words or book sales. It's built on calculated actions. Just as Cardone amassed his fortune through shrewd real estate ventures, his early years emphasized the importance of sowing the seeds of financial growth. Much like the initial $5,000 that lay idle in his bank account, the idea that money can be set aside and nurtured deeply resonates. Cardone's statement resounds with the significance of setting clear objectives and targets. His practice of maintaining a fixed goal and revisiting it at intervals will encourage you to adopt a similar approach. As I delve into his commitment to real estate, it prompts me to channel my resources and energy into viable financial opportunities. This aligns perfectly with his message. Genuine wealth isn't just manifested through words, it's meticulously crafted through strategic action and disciplined planning. By journeying through Cardone's experiences, I'm determined to turn $5,000 into $1 million success, a goal that now feels closer than ever. 2. Committing to consistent contributions.
Some of you small thinkers out there be like, dude, I'll take the 320. How do I get 10? And how do I get 20? You guys have figured this out. You're like, shit. If the play is big enough, dude, I'll figure that out.
Stepping into the path of dedication. This step is valuable. I've understood the importance of staying dedicated in light of Grant Cardone's wisdom. As I step into the path of commitment, his words, $5,000 is an achievable target, hold a profound resonance. It's all about steadily contributing, month after month. Imagine investing around $412 each month. It becomes a clear roadmap to transform your initial $5,000 into $1 million. I've taken Cardone's challenge to heart, even amusingly considering innovative ways to ensure I uphold this commitment. Cardone's vivid examples, where a consistent 20% annual growth could lead to an impressive $1.25 million, or even a 10% increase could reach $320,000, truly highlight the remarkable potential of compound growth. This perspective ignites my determination to surge past obstacles and confront challenges head-on along this journey. To those of you who might question this path, remember not to be hindered by limited thinking. Be ready to embrace the grander picture and the success it brings. Just as Cardone advises, Finding a way is inevitable if the goal is substantial enough, and I believe this is something we can all agree on. 3. Safeguarding your finances. The core concept revolves around treating your contributions as sacred and resisting the urge to spend them impulsively. This principle prompts me to consider the long-term impact of every financial decision. Cardone's 20-year reflection unveils the power of consistent 20% annual returns as a pivotal factor in his financial success. From ages 25 to 30, his dedication to financial growth and the habit of setting aside money underscores the value of safeguarding resources. His practice of nurturing his initial $5,000, stored in a symbolic, holy account, exemplifies commitment. This protected account signifies his unwavering pursuit of financial goals. Transitioning to investments after accumulating $25,000 in 5 years showcases the importance of prudent financial preservation. Cardone's narrative compels me to embrace disciplined fund protection, recognizing its role in building a foundation for successful investments. His journey echoes that small, consistent steps can lead to substantial wealth, reinforcing the idea that financial preservation is the cornerstone of lucrative ventures.
But when I was ready to start investing money, I started doing my homework. 30 years old, homework. Shopping properties, 31. Homework, shopping properties, 32. I'm not buying cars. You guys are buying cars, flying on jet charters, showing off, going on vacations. All I'm doing is stacking paper.
4. Exploring high-return investments. At 30, Cardone's financial growth journey started with meticulous research into property options. His dedication was evident in his commitment to accumulating assets rather than succumbing to material temptations. This method stood in stark contrast to the allure of extravagant spending. Instead of splurging on luxury, Cardone focused on methodically stacking paper, saving, and reinvesting to lay the groundwork for his future. His tale of starting with $5,000 and growing it to $25,000 in 5 years underscored the power of this systematic approach. This foundation allowed him to venture into broader financial horizons while chasing elusive 20% returns. His emphasis on achieving the $1 million milestone serves as a reminder of the ultimate objective. Cardone's advice to explore opportunities yielding 20% annual returns resonates deeply. His real estate ventures, designed to generate consistent cash flow over time, exemplify this principle. By reinvesting earnings, his capital compounds and income burgeons, inching him closer to his long-term goals. His journey illustrates that though initial returns might be modest, prudent reinvestment and property value appreciation can magnify gains over the years. Rooted in patience and calculated risk-taking, this approach underscores the significance of high-return investments in the pursuit of turning $5,000 into $1 million. Cardone's strategy, focusing on strategic asset accumulation, speaks volumes about disciplined planning. His narrative serves as a beacon, guiding me toward embracing a long-term perspective and pursuing avenues for steady, substantial growth while staying unwaveringly committed to my ultimate financial aspirations.
My average deal has paid me over 30% a year. So when you start taking money and start compounding it like that for long periods of time, the trick is long periods of time. You have no choices. You have to learn this game right now.
5. Harness compound interest. Cardone's journey reveals the potency of prioritizing investments that facilitate exponential growth over time. His average deal's consistent returns of over 30% across years exemplify the transformative potential of prolonged compounding. The key lies in the endurance of this approach over extended durations. Recognizing the compounding game, he aptly emphasizes that learning this now is imperative, prompting my eagerness to delve deeper. His intention to revolutionize investment strategies, pulling funds out of stagnant bank returns and channeling them into higher-yielding avenues, intrigues me. Despite initial setbacks, his early hustle and unwavering commitment to channel his $5,000 investments reflect his relentless pursuit of a millionaire's path. His achievement of crossing $1 million threshold by age 33, commencing from a modest $5,000 at 25, is a testament to his disciplined journey. However, Cardone emphasizes that success hinges on gradual progress, driven by strategic steps. His pursuit of consistent 20% annual growth demonstrates his dedication to sustained advancement. By turning a small investment into a substantial sum through consistent efforts, he showcases the power of compound interest. This insight encourages me to focus on long-term growth, aligning my actions with the principle of a prosperous financial future. Cardone's success story motivates me to prioritize enduring progress over quick gains, ensuring a solid foundation for financial success.
I didn't get rich speaking. I didn't get rich selling books. I got rich shopping real estate.
6. Consider real estate ventures. Understanding Cardone's path and the impact it had on his financial growth fuels my interest in learning more about real estate's potential. Cardone's success story reinforces that diversifying investments, particularly in tangible assets like real estate, can be a strategic move toward achieving substantial financial milestones. This step compels me to further research and educate myself about real estate's intricacies, aiming to emulate Cardone's triumph and turn my $5,000 into $1 million achievement. Cardone's journey demonstrates that true wealth isn't achieved solely through speaking or book sales, but through strategic investments in real estate. His emphasis on real estate as a potential avenue for financial growth has piqued my interest. His successful journey serves as an inspiration, prompting me to explore real estate options more extensively. This step aligns with the principle of diversification, motivating me to investigate how real estate can contribute to turning my initial investment into $1 million success. Cardone's path underscores that informed decisions and diligent research are key to thriving in the realm of real estate investment. 7. Reinforce a growth mindset. His call to shift from challenges to solutions, fostering a mindset of continuous improvement, is a powerful reminder. By highlighting the importance of adopting a growth-oriented attitude, he emphasizes the transformative impact it can have on our financial journey. Cardone's success story serves as proof that overcoming obstacles with resilience and seeking opportunities for growth can lead to substantial achievements. This step encourages me to reframe setbacks as learning experiences and proactively seek solutions, aligning my mindset with personal and financial growth principles. This step reminds me to adopt a mindset of continuous improvement, reinforcing my determination to navigate obstacles with resilience and turn them into stepping stones toward success.
Right? By the time I'm 33 years old, I had $1,125,127 in a damn account. $1,125,127, 33 years old, and I started with no money at 25. How? I got the 5,000. I don't need to go buy something yet. I got to add that every year. Now I need to learn how to get that money to grow. 20% a year. It'll take me 20 years to get it done. How did I get it done in 8 years? I must have either added money or earned more than 20%.
8. Reinvest profits strategically. This step encourages you to think about how to make your investments grow by using the money you earn. Cardone's illustration of his achievement in 8 years, rather than the initially projected 20 years, by saving $5,000 to attain $1,125,000, underscores the significance of two key factors: putting more money into your investments and aiming for returns higher than 20%. Just relying on a job or small improvements won't give you the best results, and Cardone's stories about different jobs prove this. For instance, a masseuse trying to increase their earnings by 20% every year faces limits to this approach. Cardone also talks about the value of reinvesting money into your own business or trying new things to keep growing financially. His experience with various investments, like his third business, shows how this can lead to steady income and tax benefits. I can increase my earnings over time when I invest in things that bring in regular income, like his business. This step motivates me to think carefully about where I should put my profits, aiming for ongoing financial growth and achieving my monetary goals. His advice aligns with the idea of growing my money over time through new opportunities and reinvestment, focusing on stable growth and income.
A plumber, contractor, masseuse. The masseuse charges $100. This is what he tries to do. I'm gonna do 20% more massages this year than last year. Good, he could do that. Now he's doing 120. He's like, now this year I'm gonna do another 20% on top of that last 20%. Sooner or later, this guy ain't gonna be able to give a massage. How does he do it? He either invests money in his business and hire more people to do stuff, but if he's trying to save money, he can't do that, or he's got to start a second business, or he's got to start investing in assets that actually...
9. Continuous monitoring and adaptation. When I consider Cardone's advice, it's clear that staying alert, adaptable, and determined are vital. This step underscores the necessity of regularly evaluating your strategies, being flexible in response to changes, and persistently pushing forward. Cardone's words highlight that the route to turning $5,000 into $1 million isn't a straight path. It requires a mindset open to adjustments as circumstances evolve. Cardone's reminder to consistently monitor your progress is a reminder of how crucial it is to keep a close watch on your investments, ensuring they align with your objectives. He emphasizes that the financial landscape is ever-shifting, and your ability to adapt swiftly is paramount. His emphasis on persistence underscores that challenges are par for the course, and your commitment to overcoming them is your driving force. Observing Cardone's journey, marked by highs and lows, reinforces the importance of this step. His story of surmounting obstacles is proof that unwavering effort and the flexibility to adjust strategies are key. This step urges you to set ambitious goals and actively navigate your path to financial success. 10. Acknowledging milestones and focusing on the ultimate goal. The importance of recognizing milestones and staying focused on the million-dollar objective becomes abundantly clear in this step. This concluding step emphasizes the importance of acknowledging the strides taken along the path and remaining resolute in the pursuit of the ultimate financial achievement. Cardone's guidance strongly resonates with me, urging us to celebrate accomplishments, irrespective of their magnitude, as they symbolize significant advancements on our journey. His prompt to evaluate the distance covered ignites our drive for the journey ahead. By acknowledging milestones, we harness momentum and uphold a positive mindset. Furthermore, Cardone's stress on remaining dedicated to the long-term million-dollar objective highlights the strength of possessing a clear vision. While relishing minor triumphs is vital, keeping our gaze fixed on the larger reward anchors propels us throughout the extended expedition. His personal experiences illustrate the benefits stemming from unwavering determination and a persistent focus on the ultimate goal. In the journey towards financial empowerment, Grant Cardone's blueprint has illuminated a transformative path from $5,000 to $1 million, a journey that goes beyond just numbers. It's a journey marked by determination, strategic thinking, and an unyielding mindset. By embracing Cardone's 10 invaluable steps, we've unveiled the secrets to turning a modest amount into an extraordinary achievement. By internalizing Cardone's principles and tailoring them to our circumstances, we stand poised to script our success story. In this story, $5,000 has the potential to evolve into $1 million and beyond. Thank you for joining me on this transformative journey, guided by Grant Cardone's wisdom. Let's reshape our financial narratives with these insights, embracing the world of possibilities ahead. Remember, this journey goes beyond financial gains. It fosters personal growth and empowerment. I'm eager to hear your thoughts on this topic, so please share your insights in the comments below. If you found this valuable, give it a thumbs up, share it, and consider subscribing for more enlightening content. As we step into the future, armed with knowledge, let's craft a brighter financial path together.